Narrowing your focus down to 100 or 200 stocks is a good way of getting control over your trading and not getting bogged down by too many stocks. So, how can you reduce or how can you focus only on 200 stocks and find good opportunities? So, if you're one of the busy person or like you want to reduce your effort, not look at 1000 or 2000 charts and you want to look at only 200, I will show you a way to look at stocks, especially for those who are looking for longer, slightly longer duration swings, how you can focus on only 200 stocks daily and try and find opportunities and still make big money. So for that, let's look at basically back to telechart. And in order to do this, what I'm going to use is I'm going to use a 6-month momentum, and 6 months momentum is a column which is this column, which is essentially the price divided by its 126 days average price. So it's C divided by average C, 126 in telechart. So once you rank stocks, you can decide that you want to focus. This is ranked by the highest value. So you can decide you want to focus only on the 50 stocks by momentum. But for best results, you want to focus on the 200 stocks ranked by this momentum criteria. And if you do that, then what you're going to do is you're going to find many stocks which have high momentum, but they are going sideways and they are setting up possible for next leg. And those are the stocks which should be on your watch list then. So if you keep going and looking at and only focus on these 200 stocks, what is going to happen is if you continuously every day focus on these 200 stocks only, you are not going to miss any stock which makes a big move. Because whenever it is having a momentum pause like this, it will go on your watch list and it breaks out. You want to be in that particular stocks. That's how I found stocks like TMST or LNTH for my own personal trading. I look for in stocks which have high momentum and they are having a momentum pause. So, but by focusing only on 200 ranked by this momentum, it's more than enough to find opportunities because you're not looking at too many. So if you go through 200, you will probably find 8 or 9 stocks which are going sideways and likely to break out, and those are enough for you to focus on. Like this is a good example of a stock which has momentum and having a momentum pause. So this is something, if it breaks out, I would definitely personally be in this particular stock on any breakout, right? So use this kind of an approach. Like all these stocks which are marked XXX, these are buyouts, so that is why I'm not taking any one of them, right? Use this kind of an approach to find stocks which have momentum on a 6-month time frame. Again, like DAC is another one which I found like this and I entered on this particular day. Find stocks which have established momentum on 6 months and then they are having a pause in their momentum. And if you just focus on 200, that way you are going to find more than enough setups to make money. So there are ways to reduce your universe to just a list of 100 stocks, a list of 200 stocks. 6 months momentum is a very good way to do it. In order to do 6 months momentum, just add a column and sort by it and select the top 200 stocks. Similarly, you can look at the weakest 200 stocks. And that way, you will never go hungry because you will have always opportunities. You will have a watch list, which is a high quality watch list. And from those watch lists, if breakout starts happening, you can enter and you can make money.